Welcome back to Smart Tech, the channel that takes you on a thrilling journey into the world of heavy equipment machines. Danfoss technology is used in a new all-electric crawler crane for multinational heavy equipment manufacturer Sany. The launch of the SCE 800TB will help meet the growing demand for zero-emission construction equipment. The 80-ton capacity telescopic crane has a maximum lifting moment of 300 ton-meters and a maximum boom length of 1,850 inches. With these features, it provides high performance and reliability to efficiently perform all types of auxiliary lifting tasks. The crane should reduce carbon emissions, improve air quality, and reduce noise, making construction sites cleaner and safer for workers and the public. The Genesis mobile shears are designed to handle steel and other materials more efficiently for scrap and demolition work, and are suitable for smaller vehicles. The GXT model is shorter in height and lighter in weight. It's a scrap and demolition shear whose center of gravity is closer to the excavator, allowing the models to be mounted on excavators that previously could only carry smaller, lesser powerful shears. The Hadrian X robot bricklayer can work independently according to a preset program, so it requires almost no human assistance. It can work around the clock, laying 1,000 bricks per day, which is the daily rate for a two-person mason crew. This unique intelligent robot is capable of building block structures from 3D CAD models, producing much less waste than traditional construction methods, while significantly improving site safety. The 2255 is EFFER's new flagship model, designed to deliver unique performance and help you get where others must stop. In fact, thanks to KJ's technology solution, you can change the crane configuration from 8S to 10S with an outreach of nearly 1,378 inches vertically. In its maximum configuration, this 2255 model reaches a height of 2,165 inches for outstanding performance. Cleantech Infra's aquatic plant harvesters offer an environmentally friendly method of controlling excessive aquatic plant growth and interfering vegetation in waterways of all sizes. These heavy-duty workboats are very effective in controlling underwater, overwater, and free-floating vegetation. Similar to a lawnmower, the aquatic weed harvester cuts vegetation by collecting and storing weeds on board. The harvesters are equipped with a receiving conveyor at the front of the machine that can be lowered underwater to cut weeds. One horizontal and two vertical cutting beams cut vegetation as the machine moves forward through the water, and when the storage hold is full, the combine returns to shore for unloading. The technologically advanced M500E1000 is a new forestry mulcher for 18 to 25-ton excavators. It's ideal for carriers up to 230 horsepower with hydraulic fluid flow rates of 120 to 260 LPM, 31.7 to 70 GPM. The rugged and compact body of this equipment makes this model a versatile unit for mulching trees and dense brush. You can see for yourself on your screens how the M500E works. The Prinoth Panther T14R is an extremely versatile tracked transporter. This model can rotate the cab and unloading box 360 degrees and is equipped with a directional reset feature that allows the operator to reset the machine's alignment at the touch of a button. With its high hill climbing ability and low ground pressure, this equipment is built to effortlessly traverse almost any obstacle. All Panther T14R models feature 9.5-yard-long dump bodies lined with hard-ox steel, which provides significant reinforcement and can withstand some of the most aggressive environments. Transporting a maximum oversized and extra heavy load of 580 tons is no easy task. But Goldhofer, a global manufacturer of heavy and specialized vehicles, can do everything and more. Its experts have created a multi-wheel trailer that is fully adapted to the requirements and infrastructure of various regional markets, guaranteeing complete flexibility for even the most unusual transport operations. You can see for yourself what the process of transporting an oversized load looks like. Very spectacular. The BRAC P12B is a multifunctional mechanized planter with a new operating concept that allows the driver to achieve deeper conditions by loosening the soil to promote root development of the new forest. After soil preparation, the driver sets the planter vertically for planting, and a new compression system improves the quality of seedling retention. With the press of just one button, the cycle continues after seeding, allowing the fertilizer and irrigation systems to start. The fertilizer system provides the operator with precise amounts of fertilizer throughout the planting, which promotes uniformity in the forest. All functions are controlled from the operator's cab using buttons on the joystick and control system. The operator receives information about hydraulic pressure, number of remaining seedlings, the irrigation level, etc., all via the in-cab display. Seedling depth, compaction, and other parameters can be easily adjusted via the display. The Norwegian company Overrasen has created the TV1000 model, a self-propelled high-speed snowblower that is designed specifically for professional airport snow removal. The machine is designed for heavy snow removal conditions and can handle any type of snow up to 78 inches deep in a single pass. The snowplow is mounted on a specially designed chassis and features a unique flying cab that allows the driver to be positioned in front or behind the chute for optimal visibility during operation, loading, clearing, or throwing. The model is powered by two Volvo Penta engines totaling 1,000 horsepower and has a snow removal capacity of more than 7,500 tons of snow per hour, with a throwing distance of 34 to 58 yards beyond runways. The System Meister system is based on two heavy transport crawler units combined with a detachable crane manipulator and telescopic crane units. They are designed to safely transport loads in the most difficult terrain and in the most unfavorable weather conditions. The main component of the new off-road crane and transport system is the heavy-duty TC50 and TC100 crawler transporters, which can be used to efficiently transport loads weighing up to 50 tons. Such equipment can be used multifunctionally in different operating modes. The Smart Rock T40 from Epiroc is an exceptional drilling machine for quarrying and construction. The machine is characterized by best-in-class fuel efficiency. Even lower fuel consumption reduces costs and environmental impact. Developers have been able to achieve increased productivity through a range of intelligent features and options. State-of-the-art plant automation helps achieve new levels of stability and productivity. The machine's main application is in construction material quarries, where efficiency and reduced environmental impact are essential. Dutchman Tree Tire is another innovative product that can tie standing trees in seconds. This machine can tie up to 40 trees every hour, significantly reducing labor costs. The Tree Tire's user-friendly design includes angled tubes for initial lifting of branches, a hydraulic gate opener, and a size reduction ring. This technique is designed for long life with virtually no maintenance. Its unique design allows all trees to be wrapped tightly and evenly, reducing the likelihood of branch damage during transportation. Prenoth has introduced the world to the new Raptor 200, a powerful machine with rugged compact design and ergonomic cab. The model impresses with 190 horsepower, while being relatively lightweight at 20 pounds. The manufacturer also decided to install a powerful Cat C4.4 engine, which allows this machine to feel quite confident both on the steep slopes and on soft ground. In the video, you can see the Raptor 200 working in close cooperation with the M450S attachment. Together, they represent a high-tech machine that is ideal for all types of land clearing, lane maintenance, and forestry work. Bauer Model BG45 is the world's largest rotary drilling rig, weighing approximately 170 tons, designed for subsea ground improvement. Such a giant machine is ideal for drilling bored holes up to 146 inches in diameter and 311 feet deep. Such a technologically powerful rig can handle the most demanding applications. It can also be converted to CFA or moving mode, where it can install piles up to 59 inches in diameter and 126 feet deep. The BG45 is a versatile machine for various foundation construction applications. Lagoon Crawler is the world's first remote-controlled amphibious campaign boat. Since its creation in 2014, demand for the Lagoon Crawler has increased rapidly, with more than 175 machines on the market today. The non-Lagoon Crawler is an amphibious machine designed for agitating lagoons. The wheels can be lowered down, giving the vehicle approximately 5 feet of ground clearance. The unit then drives into the lagoon, where it's converted into a campaign boat. In the Lagoon Crawler is powered by a non-header series 4-point slurry pump. Volumes exceeding 10,000 gallons per minute are used to maneuver the pontoon through the lagoon and agitate solids from the bottom. The non-Lagoon Crawler does not require a priming system. Once the sump is emptied, the 4 wheels are lowered and the machine can drive itself out of the sump. Now you can see a truck-mounted concrete pump from Zoomlion. It's a powerful, reliable, state-of-the-art unit designed for the most demanding applications and conditions. It's equipped with a 160-foot pump, which is mounted on a 4-axle truck. The technique is developed according to innovative technologies of professionals of SIFA, Italy, and Zoomlion, China, their plant, based on high-quality components of well-known world manufacturers. A pumping unit with a capacity of 180 meters cubed per hour is designed for efficient and long pumping of concrete in various conditions. The concrete pump boom, consisting of 6 sections, has improved stabilization and high reliability. The AT120 is Ditch Witch's all-terrain directional drill rig, the largest in the company's lineup. The hydraulic directional drill has 15,500 pound-feet of force, and the machine also has 120,000 pounds of pulling power and is powered by a 280 horsepower Cummins diesel engine. The Ditch Witch Model AT120 has a 20-foot through-hole drill pipe on board. New technology enhancements include the patented virtually assisted makeup and braking VAM solution, which ensures that the drill pipe and tool are at the correct levels observed by the torque sensor while drilling. The All-Terrain HDD features a multi-mode joystick that allows operators to customize controls to suit their drilling style. Equipped with an unloading conveyor that feeds soil directly into the dump truck, the RTX 750 SoC can work well on narrow and congested job sites. The conveyor minimizes soil buildup on the site and allows for quick off-site removal. It also features an extendable offset trencher that can cut trenches up to 24 inches wide and 36 inches deep, making utility installation easier and more productive. The new 20-ton 922G is Hydrema's largest and most productive truck. This model has the highest power-to-weight ratio on the market and will actually be the platform for the all-new 920G, a highly anticipated machine that will soon be available in dealerships. This 3-axle dump truck features a unique articulated joint and wide-angle bogies, providing superior towing power and the lowest empty weight and capacity weight ratio on the market. These features provide high stability during tipping, even when the tipper is at maximum swing angle. Houtkiller Model 1270 is designed specifically for the easy and fast process of splitting logs. It's often used on rough terrain, roadsides, and steep slopes. These wood shears have hydraulic rotation, which allows the user to work at almost any angle. The technique is designed to chop large logs and wood stumps already cut, to rationalize their transportation, subsequent processing steps, crushing, chopping, and to accelerate the natural internal drying effect. You can also count on low operating expenses and low wear and tear, thanks to the robust construction and the use of high-quality steels. The VTN Crusher Bucket is an excavator-mounted attachment that allows for portable and affordable on-site crushing operations. It processes base material on-site, utilizing available materials discounted at the cost of buying or renting a traditional portable jaw crusher. It boasts quick and easy adjustment of the thickness of the incoming material, making it possible to adjust the size of the output material itself from 0.5 to 5.5 inches. The Mastodon M60 forestry mulcher is designed to quickly complete the most demanding mulching jobs. The model features increased mulching speed, made possible by Mastodon's feed-controlled cutting system that delivers sharp steel cutting performance and maintenance-free carbide durability. The equipment is powered by a Rexroth bent axle piston pump combined with an industry-leading direct drive transmission that requires no mini-loader setup. The horizontal wood chopper is the most economical and easiest way to harvest firewood with the Avant Mini Loader. It's mounted on the connecting plate of the loader's attachment and operated from the driver's seat. Splitting is accomplished by grasping the log with the wood splitter and pressing it against the splitting wedge. The log can also be held by the wood chopper and transported to the desired location for splitting. The splitting force is 7.6 tons. The maximum log length is 26 inches and the diameter is 12 inches. The TG7000 combines innovation and power for large land clearing and organic wood waste recycling projects. It quickly processes wood waste with Vermeer's exclusive duplex drum to minimize maintenance, a microprocessor-controlled PT Tech wet clutch to automatically limit torque when needed, and a patented cutting system equipped with 10 hammers and 20 dual-bolt cutting blocks. The optional climate-controlled cab and grapple loader allow the TG7000 to be operated by one person, helping to reduce labor costs and improve job site efficiency. You see the Flatcat equipment trailer, an innovative new trailer for various equipment. The Flatcat trailer's unique hinged platform design makes it easy to load and transport various equipment, including man elevators, scissor elevators, roller compactors, and even pallet jacks. The Flatcat trailer features the industry's first hydraulically driven torsion bar suspension, an 80-inch platform width, lengths from 14 to 22 feet, and a GVWR of up to 14,000 pounds. Also, Flatcat is ideal for hauling low vehicles such as classic or vintage cars. The blade transport system from TEE Schuyler safely and economically transports all types of blades available on the market to their destination. The combination with a trailer unit is ideal for transporting heavy and very long propeller blades. The system will also be able to utilize the next generations of propeller blades with even larger sizes, which will prove its viability in the future. The transportation system consists of 2-axle Jeep truck, a free swing unit with root adapter plus a 4-axle trailer as a trailing unit or an optionally available free swing unit directly coupled to a tractor, and a trailing unit. This is what an ideal medium ground mobility system should look like, that creates roads that can support vehicles with pneumatic tires. The medium ground mobility system enhances the mobility of vehicles and other large equipment with pneumatic tires by creating an access route that stabilizes the ground when ground pressure is very low. The machine works in all conditions, including snow, ice, desert, swamps, and jungle. With many deployment and recovery operations to choose from, the medium ground mobility system can be customized specifically to meet your requirements. The Moro's hydraulic metal baler is used to shred, cut, and bag a wide range of scrap metal. This mobile technology can efficiently and quickly handle scrap metal, whether it's something small, like cans, aluminum and steel shavings, and scrap wire, or something large and sturdy, like steel plates, washing machines, other household appliances, and entire vehicles. Let's see for ourselves how easily this technological monster can do its job. So, select a hydraulic metal baler if you want a reliable and suitable solution for your metal recycling needs. Watermaster multipurpose amphibious dredgers are used around the world to service tailings ponds and process water ponds, and to extract valuable materials from drainage and tailing ponds. With this wide range of heavy-duty attachments, the versatile Watermaster can do all the work that would normally require separate machines, including excavating, raking, piling, and hammering. The classic V model has 50% more suction capacity than its predecessor. The company's ongoing research and development have also resulted in the innovative Watermaster urban dredging concept and new features for dredging hard ground. Big Float presents a reliable floating excavator for safe and productive contracting work. In fact, it's a unique tracked pontoon platform that definitely deserves your attention. With a pontoon excavator, you can work in the most difficult places, such as shallow water. But at the same time, it moves easily on hard surfaces thanks to the undercarriage. For the pontoons, the manufacturer used hardocks to achieve the best durability. For safety, each pontoon is divided into 5 separate watertight compartments, with maintenance hatches above each compartment. Carefully designed shape and dimensions of the equipment guarantee its stability in any condition. This incredible TV2 SOS trailer semi-trailer is used when there's a need to transport long and standard vehicles without the need for a crane to load them onto the semi-trailer. Loading takes place from the rear, which is a patented system. The axle unit is released from the loading platform and turned to the left or right side to allow loading from behind the vehicle. Once the procedure is complete, the axle unit returns to its original position and is ready for operation. All functions are performed by remote control without the use of human power. The Robotic Maintenance Vehicle, or RMV, was designed with worker safety as a priority. The RMV is a modular, automated solution that is changing the way typical road maintenance practices are viewed. Robotic Crack Sealer is an RMV module that utilizes intelligent artificial intelligence technology, combined with a 6-axis industrial robot and a dedicated sealer melter. To operate the Robotic Crack Sealer, only a driver and an observer are required. This maintenance machine will not only improve the safety of workers, but also work faster, save labor, save materials, and improve the overall quality of work. This video shows Pollock's new 12-line ESS modular platform ESS trailer used in a 2x4x8 beam configuration with beams. You can see how well the trailer behaves on the road and how its features can be used to improve your operation. And it's all thanks to ESS, an electronic steering system that will allow you to steer all axles at the same time. It's designed to provide the optimum axle steering angle according to the length or width of the trailer. The steering can be remotely controlled to increase the steering angle on tight corners or on the ground. The Converse C91 is a dredger for small waterways, canals, and lakes. Thanks to the CW10 quick coupling system, various tools such as a dredging pump, mowing bucket, chain mower, and grapple can be connected to the tool holder. The C91 has 2 outriggers, one at the front and one in the rear. The masts range in length from 157 to 236 inches. For propulsion, the manufacturer has equipped the boat with a double anti-coiling auger that is hydraulically height adjustable and foldable. The C91 comes standard with a cockpit and pontoons. Introducing Volvo's new L200H high-lift log loader. This machine is designed to increase productivity and reduce operating expenses in the logging industry, building on the success of its predecessor. This loader is more robust and can be equipped with higher capacity grapples, as well as handle very heavy loads. With additional reinforcements, this machine is designed to handle more material in cubic meters per hour. Slat Tracks is a temporary roadway alternative to mats or plywood, ideal for ground protection on construction sites, landscaping, utility work, etc. The slat track system includes a standard quick-release plate and hydraulic couplings that can be attached to a bobcat or mini loader. They can be used to support heavy equipment including bobcats, dump trucks, excavators, cranes, aerial trucks, and more. The tracks will protect grass, lawn, asphalt, artificial turf, and wetlands from damage. SNPC Machines India, a startup company, is leading the global brick industry with its innovative mobile BMM brick-making machines. These machines are portable and easy to use, making them ideal for both small and large brick manufacturers. In addition to mobility, the machinery can be easily moved from one location to another, as per requirements. One model, for example, can produce between 6,000 to 25,000 bricks per hour. This increased efficiency can result in significant cost savings for manufacturers. SNPC machines are also designed to be environmentally friendly. They use less water and energy than traditional brick-making methods and produce less waste. The 33-inch Jasmin 30-degree tree shovels are designed to fill a 32-inch basket optimally. This type of shovel is great for digging up coniferous trees up to 8 feet tall, as well as moving shade trees up to 3.25 inches thick. It's the perfect compact shovel for small to medium-sized loaders. The unit digs from 34 inches to 20 inches. The weight of the inner frame is approximately 1,450 pounds. The shovel is almost completely enclosed at the bottom, minimizing soil loss. The simple and robust design of the PRF 240 profiler from Mary Peat allows it to be used effectively on both large and small peat bogs. It can be used to level raised ditch edges and evenly distribute excess peat across the entire width of the strip. The profiler can be equipped with a road transportation kit, allowing easy movement from one workplace to another, even with a civilian vehicle. The transmission has 2 T-pinions, which ensure optimum PTO shaft angles. Gecko Robotics' mission statement is protect today's critical infrastructure and shape tomorrow's. Gecko's combination of robotics and software solutions is designed to detect cracks and other trouble spots before they become much more serious problems. Specifically, the company's technology is designed to inspect industrial production structures for things like oil and gas, energy, manufacturing, and defense. This includes everything from pipelines to ships to tanks. And you can see for yourself how their new development works. Developing the Equipter 4000 as an innovative debris removal equipment was a great decision. This equipment has many features that allow it to outperform standard trailer and scissor elevator trucks. The self-propelled and towable Equipter 4000, formerly known as the RB4000, is equipped with a gasoline engine that allows it to be taken almost anywhere on the job site. With a tight turning radius for navigating difficult terrain and even weight distribution, it reduces the risk of property damage and leaves no ruts in customers' lawns. The Equipter 4000 12-foot elevator will do all the hard work for you, whether you're lifting materials onto the roof or lowering 2 tons of shingle debris to the ground. This roofing equipment will increase efficiency and make your job site cleaner. Jens has introduced its new BA915D biomass processor, which has been specially designed for substrate processing, as well as optimizing composting processes. The throughput capacity of this shredder is unrivaled, and there's also a possibility of quickly changing knives and sieve basket. Maintenance of the machine has also been improved. The output belt can now be conveniently swung to the side at the touch of a button, allowing unobstructed access to the rotor. The load drop height from the belt hopper, only 79 inches, makes it easier to load the machine and shortens the wheel loader lift operation, which translates into less energy consumption and shorter loading cycles. Building a new road is always a difficult and stressful procedure that takes days to complete. However, thanks to the developments of a Dutch inventor, the process of laying a new road has never been easier. This wonderful machine, aptly named Tiger Stone, is capable of laying bricks in a mold for perfect paving, thus creating instant roads wherever it goes. Although the whole process looks like it's from a science fiction movie, the invention's trade secret lies in its elaborate gravity-based system. With the Tiger Stone machine, construction workers can pave at least 200 square meters of road each day, compared to the one conventional paver, which can pave 75 to 100 meters per day. High Vision from Hiab is a new generation hook elevator that sets new standards for safety and efficiency in the market today. With it, the operator has a complete view of the outside environment and can precisely put the forklift and hook lift into position, all from a safe cab. Using 3D technology and touchscreen control, the driver can attach the load smoothly and quickly and drive away in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods. Cleantech Infra's multi-purpose amphibious machine independently handles tasks that would normally be handled by several machines. It's capable of performing all types of work in shallow water, from dry soil to a depth of 6 meters. The dredger is transported as an assembled unit, so it takes no time at all to arrive at site, and it's amphibious and can get in and out of water on its own without the aid of a crane. The technique has its own propulsion system, so it can get to the site on its own, without the help of tugs. Furthermore, the manufacturer took care to have 4 stabilizers, which provide a stable and accurate attachment in operation. It has a range of 22 feet and can endlessly rotate 360 degrees. The unique SmartRock T25R is a surface drilling rig with hydraulic perforator for quarrying and construction. Among its main advantages are its impressive customizability for specific applications, its exceptional coverage area, and its excellent adaptability to all surfaces. The technique can be used on the toughest surfaces or hard-to-reach construction sites. The machine will become your main assistant on the job and will help you achieve high results from shift to shift. Burning vehicles in parking lots, such as underground garages, can pose a great danger. This is why Luff has developed a rescue vehicle that can evacuate conspicuous or burning electric vehicles from narrow parking lots. The remote-controlled vehicle allows emergency services to remove cars from underground garages from a safe distance. Depending on the lifting method, vehicles weighing up to 3.2 tons can be lifted. The machine's tracked chassis distributes the forces evenly over the ground. Vandale has released its new Jumbo Master, a quiet mowing and suction unit with a capacity of 25 to 30 or 35 meters cubed. The machine has a mounted mowing arm with a reach of 216 inches. This arm has dual hydraulic collision protection. The Jumbo is self-unloading with a chain drive at the bottom. The hatchback door is hydraulically operated. Fully equipped with flashing lights, variable halogen lights, a moving light bar, and a rear camera. It even has a powerful fan to suck up the cut material. By the way, the installed cutting width ranges from 49 to 59 inches. You see the employees of a company that has been specializing in drainage pipe installation since 1972. Therefore, you can expect nothing less from their technicians than optimum flexibility and quality when installing drainage systems. They use trenchless drainage, a drainage method where the work is done without the need to dig a trench. The drainage is applied with a V-shaped plow, which does little or no damage or mixing of the soil. The maximum depth that can be reached by this method is 70 inches. The ideal tool for this type of work is the Van Dam drainage chain excavator. Redru has released the new HT912, a fully hydraulic compact trencher ideal for installing irrigation, sprinkler, and electric systems. It's powered by a Honda OHV engine rated at 9 horsepower. The model is available with a 12-inch, 18-inch, or 24-inch boom. All hydraulic operations provide greater reliability and lower maintenance expenses. The HT912 is self-propelled, compact, and lightweight, which is also important. A revolutionary new swivel system protects the pivot hub from dirt and an operator presence monitoring system stops wheels and chains immediately. The CEPI-M Model BMS mounted forestry mulcher is designed for 29,000 to 55,000 pound class excavators that mulch brush and timber with ease. The BMS mulcher head features a forest rotor capable of mulching vegetation up to 10 inches in diameter. The BMS mulcher is a very powerful attachment for various excavators for clearing riverbanks, gas lines, forests, roads, and other hard-to-reach areas. The CEPI excavator BMS mulcher can be equipped with several types of rotors and cutters. The choice of working tools allows the machine to be adapted to different types of work. The Manitowoc Model 18,000 lattice boom crawler crane has a lifting capacity of 750 tons. With its easy assembly and self-assembly capability, a mobile crane with a small lifting capacity is sufficient when assembling the crane. A large section of maneuvering and fixed jibs, sections, and boom head allows this equipment to solve many tasks in modern construction. Several variants of counterweights provide the opportunity to develop low pressure on the base, thereby ensuring movement with a load on the hook on unpaved sites. This is the one where comfort and versatility will transform into performance. The Ditch Witch RT-125 heavy-duty trencher is the most versatile of the world's most popular line of trenchers. With a powerful and efficient 120 horsepower Tier 4 compliant Deutz diesel engine, this model can run non-stop all day long, and a wide variety of attachments, a trencher, plow, cutter, backhoe, coil holder, and combination trencher and plow allow you to perform virtually any type of work. This is truly a machine you can rely on with confidence. Zoomlion Heavy Industry Technology has introduced the world's tallest telescopic self-propelled aerial elevator, Model ZT68J. According to the specifications, the new self-propelled unit has a maximum working height of 221 feet. The boom reaches a maximum outreach of 1,220 inches, and the platform has a lifting capacity of nearly half a ton. The slewing mechanism provides 360-degree continuous rotation. The Zoomlion elevator is capable of traveling independently at a maximum speed of up to 2.8 miles per hour. The high ground clearance of up to 16 inches allows it to overcome small obstacles in its path. Take a look at the new 350-ton dual-engine, dual-propulsion road trains, or DPRT. It's these powerful machines with high payloads of up to 500 tons that can significantly reduce your time and costs for transporting goods from point A to point B. B's patented high-capacity road trains allows customers to shorten transportation and vehicle cycles, resulting in increased productivity at lower costs, the company claims. The latest DPRT models, which changed the rules of the game when they were originally developed in the 2000s, are now in high demand and more popular than ever. Boom-type bridge elevators, manufactured by Baron SRL, are used for maintenance of highway bridges, viaducts, providing access to objects both under and above the bridge. Boom bridge elevators are mounted on automobile chassis and travel on public roads. They reached under bridges on various elevator models ranging from 16 to 72 feet, with lowering depths up to 98 feet. The work platform, with a lifting capacity of up to 660 pounds, is made of aluminum alloy and accommodates up to 3 people. The elevator can be operated from the ground or from the work platform. What could be more convenient to work with than self-loading equipment? There's only one from the popular company Hammer. This side loader or skid steer loader is typically used for unloading and loading sea containers. And also, it has simply impressive power and productivity because in just 3.5 minutes can cope with about 79,300 pounds of cargo. This company's equipment will allow you to reduce financial and time costs because their service is always top-notch. Introducing the Guardian of a Better World, the all-electric scissor elevator from Chinese brand XCMG. In fact, it's a new elevating work platform designed and manufactured with a working height of 314 inches, overall width of 30 inches, lifting capacity of 617 pounds, platform extension length of 35 inches, surmountable lift of 25%. With its compact design, improved performance, and complete protection, this machine is a special specimen for building construction. I don't think it's necessary to explain why exactly. It features zero emissions, high environmental friendliness, stable lifting and lowering, easy operation, and a convenient maintenance. The Panther Series 2 low framework truck has been developed by experienced craftsmen specifically for the mining industry, with a focus on ease of operation and safety. Piacentini & Son always work with their customers to meet their specific requirements. That's why their low loader platforms have payloads ranging from 80 to 100 tons and can be adapted to a specific choice of ground moving and mining equipment, as well as specific mine conditions. The smooth transition from ramp to platform, eliminating pivot points during loading and unloading, is an innovation of the manufacturer. Also worth highlighting is the machine's ability to contact the ground across its full width for increased stability during loading and unloading. The optimized trailer length and high ground clearance are designed for excellent mobility on construction sites. The powerful new Toro truck from Sandvik is a high-performance underground dump truck with a 45-ton capacity. It's designed to work in 177 by 177-inch excavations. Its superior performance is based on its proven design, powerful engine, and high payload-to-weight ratio. The machine, with intelligent control functions, is designed to operate in mines to improve the efficiency of rock mass transportation. As a matter of fact, the novelty can transport 5 tons more material than its predecessor. To maintain the machine's speed characteristics under increased load, the engine power has been increased from 405 to 450 kilowatts. The electro-steered tank combines non-standards of ruggedness and simplicity with a precise and safe steering system. The machine is equipped with electronic steering, whereby the steering angle of the tanker is automatically limited as speed increases. This increases the stability and safety of the machinery and makes it very comfortable for the driver. The Elder Steer chassis is designed for a speed of 40 miles per hour and provides unrivaled smoothness. Large diameter tires create a large contact area with the field. Full fenders with LED lights all around provide excellent visibility at night. The manure tank spreader is electrically powered with a 12,000-gallon capacity. This manure tank is equipped with an injector and an attached boom. The most common application for the SR rotary screening bucket from VTN is to break up existing soil into a finer product that can be reused on-site for paving and backfilling. But we're not going to think about standardized terms, are we? In fact, with the right choice, an SR bucket can be used to sift through construction debris, soil, foundry slag, quarry waste, gravel, sand, glass, tile, gypsum, grass clumps, and so forth. In this way, it's possible to significantly reduce the amount of material that needs to be transported to and from the site. By the way, the minimum size of the material to be screened is 0.8 inches, and the maximum size is 4 inches. ABS Remorque, manufacturer of semi-trailer conveyors and subsidiary of Manac, launches the LRC product line. This updated version, lighter than the RC model, allows for a higher payload without sacrificing strength and durability. The new LRC model uses cross I-beams to attach the conveyor system to the trailer frame, providing a 30% increase in strength over the standard model. The subframe and other key components are now galvanized, providing maximum corrosion protection, reducing maintenance expenses, and extending the life of the trailer. Direct conveyor connection speeds up unloading speed by 16% compared to connecting to a hydraulic unit. The Mastenbrook 4020 drainage plow is the largest investment ever made by Farm Services Limited in its 75-year history and represents the future of the company. The machine is custom-built to our requirements and weighs 32 tons on 32-inch wide, 21-foot-long tracks. It lays plastic drainage pipes of varying diameters to a depth of 70 inches. and it has a 315 kilowatt or 428 horsepower Volvo Penta 4th stage diesel engine. There's a slope control with RTK GPS, which provides faster and more accurate installation than laser planning. The machine is ideal for large-scale agricultural drainage systems, providing accurate installation and unrivaled speed. Maneuvering robots with combined technology combines several advantages in addition to pure electric drive. The company has designed the VLEX combination maneuvering robot for everyday use. All of its components, as well as its steel construction, are extremely durable, which is a massive plus. At the same time, you get maximum drive power with technological features such as a swinging pendulum bridge for increased safety when you're going off the rails. You can also safely switch from rail to road in just a couple of seconds. This makes the VLEX the ideal solution for your shunting and loading tasks up to 600 tons. Kubler Spedition transported several large ship parts from point A to point B for further transportation. The inland waterway transportation vessel, MS Utling, arrived in Bavaria Roth. The excursion ship arrived from a shipyard near Bonn and was brought ashore in two parts, the hull and the upper deck, using heavy-duty mobile cranes. On Monday evening, the transportation was carried out on a low-bed truck of the said company on a large highway. Transportation on the highway was a challenge for all involved because of the dimensions. The ship is 223 feet long, almost 32 feet wide, weighs about 400 tons, and costs about 5 million euros. You can see for yourself how this powerful forklift handled such a seemingly impossible task. ADEX Group introduces the Genius Mega Demolition Crane. The Mega Demolition Crane has an operating weight of 320 tons, an operating height of up to 229 feet, an operating depth of up to 98 feet, and can be built with various boom configurations and different tools such as a 16-ton concrete paver and bolt cutter, hydraulic hammer and concrete cutter. Genius delivers projects safer, faster, and more efficiently and minimizes environmental inconvenience. The crane can be used in large industrial and infrastructure works, offshore projects, and urban areas. For decades, Wagner has been known as the most reliable single-entry stacker in the industry. The next generation L60 and L90 models build on that legacy by adding a host of new, state-of-the-art improvements demanded by owners and operators alike. No other log loader on the market can match the Wagner log stacker for performance, efficiency, and safety. The carriage provides unprecedented load control, minimizing damage. The Wagner log stacker's high lift and diverter arms maximize deck height and reduce the required log storage space. With load capacities ranging from 60,000 to 160,000 pounds in both two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive modes, the machine can handle any size log. The K-Tech 1233 is a robust, versatile ground mover. Its modular bolt-together design provides affordable international container transportation with minimal maintenance. With a 33 cubic yard capacity, this powerful multi-purpose machine is a powerhouse in all soil and job site conditions. The 1233 can also be converted to a drivetrain, rear convertible, or even an ADT scraper, so your fleet grows with your company. Do you want to cut tree limbs quickly, safely, and efficiently? Then the new Wood King Duo Saw is just right for this purpose. The unit is mounted on a special loader and has the option of right or left-hand installation. Thanks to this feature, the operator will perform his work as well as possible. This technique equally copes with both thin and thick branches. Moreover, the Wood King Duo Saw is equipped with a protective frame, thanks to which the overall structure is not afraid of any damage. By the way, the boom extends to the side by 47 inches, which allows you to move on the side of the road and cut limbs into the area of the boom. And the side counterweight eliminates the one-sided load of the boom on the vehicle and reduces the danger of tipping over. This is what the Flegel weed brush looks like in action. The hydraulically driven weed brush will remove almost all types of weeds on your property easily, without the use of chemicals and in an environmentally friendly way. The unit can be adjusted in both directions, from 30 to 90 degrees. And here the support wheel guarantees optimal surface following. This brush is standard on the Euro standard and the stacker attachment. In combination with a particularly powerful oil engine, this technique removes weeds quickly. Robust attachments plus effective dirt trap make the Flegel brush an indispensable tool for every farmer. Evitech's Trex 44 is designed for mowing vegetation from slopes and other areas considered risky and uncomfortable for humans. The technique has a lower center of gravity, works well on rough terrain, and has durable tracks. The patented hybrid power system generates the power needed to drive high-torque DC motors. This hybrid slope mower is not only powerful, it's also environmentally friendly. It exerts the lowest ground pressure of any mower of its kind, thus preventing erosion processes. The Trex has full remote control of starting, stopping, and traveling, as well as blade opening with the Ogura electric clutch. The operating range is up to 2,000 feet from the controller, with a battery life of up to 20 hours. The Stryker Volterra ARF is a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, or PHEV, that has been designed to meet the growing demands for environmentally friendly solutions at airports of all sizes around the world. Utilizing a powerful combination of onboard batteries and a diesel engine, the vehicle is designed to reduce emissions, which protects the environment, improves firefighter safety, and provides a lower cost of ownership through reduced fuel consumption and engine maintenance. The result is an emergency response vehicle that can operate primarily in all-electric mode, but has a hybrid electric emergency response mode that provides a no-compromise approach to fire suppression and airport emergency response. Mini dump trucks have successfully proven themselves in the construction of hard-to-reach projects, where the use of traditional dump trucks is impossible for objective reasons. This can be tunnel, road, or mining work, for example. The Carmix D6 mini dump truck is ideal for heavy-duty work and has been specially designed for repair and tunnel work. The wide ROPS-FOPS cab gives the driver excellent comfort and added safety, while the swivel seat provides excellent visibility. The main advantages of the machine also include splendid cross-country ability, high productivity, compactness, and ease of maintenance. The D6 dumper can handle jobs where heavy-duty trucks just won't go. Vermeer's small but powerful VS350 single-screw vertical mixer features high screw speeds to minimize mixing time and optimize cleanup. Very little material remains in the bath, the advantage of 2 pulse kickers plus a screw leading edge. This mixer also features a 4-point scale, which provides optimum accuracy compared to the typical 3-point scale used in mixers of this size. This compact machine is ideal for small to medium-sized operations. McElroy's largest machine to date, the Talon 2000, offers a revolutionary new way to weld large thermoplastic pipe with outside diameters ranging from 54 to 78 inches, which is growing in demand to replace aging infrastructure and increase productivity for various modern applications. The machine is a self-propelled vehicle with the unique ability to safely lift the pipe from the ground, position it for welding, and move it from joint to joint along the pipe. It has a fast-acting torch and electric indexer for accurate and safe positioning of the heater and torch on the welding machine. As a professional construction hoist manufacturer, Sim Hoist and Tower Crane Equipment Company Limited is committed to providing the most complete, reliable, and valuable lifting solutions for every customer. That's why they created the XCA 600 all-terrain crane, which has a main boom length of 344 feet, and its performance is several times higher than products of the same tonnage class. This all-terrain crane is highly adaptable and can be used even in major wind turbine maintenance projects. The whole machine can carry the main boom, superlift, and heavy load transition, and can also pass through lower culverts, which is more suitable for urban construction. The mounted telescopic loader from Payette specializes in carrying or picking up material from a pit in a confined space. It's widely used in deep bridge excavations and subway construction. In standard and complex projects, the slim design of the equipment is ideal for foundation work, digging narrow shafts, subway stations, underground parking lots, repairing underground structures, clearing canals, and more. Suitable for any excavator of any brand from 6 tons to 80 tons. The unit provides more digging and ground removal power, which increases productivity and efficiency. With such a powerful telescopic boom, you don't need to buy or rent a crane. Extreme conditions, slag temperatures of up to 1300 degrees Celsius, liquid steel, angular and dusty bulk goods several meters long, red-hot slabs or coils weighing tons. The harsh working conditions in steel mills and smelting plants are a real challenge for both workers and machinery. CAMAG transport systems have been specially developed for the needs of the steel industry. Heat, dirt, or heavy loads, nothing can cope with them. And you can see for yourself what this fantastic machine can do. The PackMat PK404 is a mobile compacting machine that can compact all types of waste into open skips with a capacity of 30 meters cubed or more, as well as move equipment skips with a maximum weight of up to 10 tons. Safety is of paramount importance for PackMat machines, and for this reason, access to the PK404 driver's cab is via a set of inclined steps with 2 handrails at the rear of the machine. In the cab, the driver's seat is located on the side of the machine, which provides good visibility, especially inside the compacted container. The PK404 has 3 wheels, which means the machine has a small turning radius, so it can work on even the smallest of sites. By compacting the volume of waste in the skip up to 80%, the number of containers to be filled is greatly reduced, resulting in unprecedented cost savings. Just Easy Tools Gripper is a forklift attachment that allows the vehicle to move oversized tires and wheels. It's an ideal tool for tire manufacturers, distributors, retreaders, tire service organizations, or automotive plants. This technique offers significant time savings for the entire range of handling operations. The infrared camera system and very precise rotation allow one person to shape and remove wheels and tires. He can tilt and manipulate the tire horizontally and vertically. By the way, the total load capacity is 2,200 pounds. The 870M wheeled excavator model is manufactured by Cinnaboggen. It's a 66-ton machine with a Caterpillar engine with a power output of 313 kilowatts or 419 horsepower. Cinnaboggen Model 870M can be referred to as the largest segment of machines in the category of wheeled excavators. The bucket volume is 1.53 yards cubed, which is above average for machines of this type. The machine has been equipped with air conditioning, a backhoe loader, and an overload warning system. It comes on sale without pneumatic guides, quick-release hydraulic linkage. You see the world's unique Reeffinator H4 deep loosener and stone crusher. This new model is capable of working at depth, overcoming difficult stony soils, extremely hard soils, and paddocks full of stumps. The technique is actually a multi-pass machine that digs up and crushes rocks quickly and efficiently. The Reeffinator's towed implement has a grate, very similar to a cheese grater, that holds the stone and breaks up easy-to-crush clumps that can be crushed by the next roller. After a few passes, the technique leaves behind stone residue no bigger than a fist. The machine is designed to be durable, easy, and inexpensive to operate. The specified wear parts and weak points can be replaced quickly and easily, while the rest of the implement is robust and ready to withstand thousands of hours of operation. The GU70 chainsaw is the ideal machine for opening and exploring tunnels. Thanks to the fifth wheel under the rotating guide rail, the machine can make horizontal and vertical cuts. The machine can be operated by one operator. This model is capable of cutting hard stone and marble up to 125 inches deep. With the Tierra telematics monitoring system for Fantini chainsaws, you can track real-time data and movements related to your machine. With Tierra maps, it's easy to view machine performance information, such as engine hours, engine on-off, I/O, pressure, and cutting speed. Harvest equipment manufacturer Scott's Precision Manufacturing recently released an innovative conversion kit that allows owners of a Grimm GT170 trailed combine to easily convert it into a fully functional mower without modifying the main engine. The Scott's conversion kit includes a 17.4-foot-long cross conveyor that allows raised crop to be carefully moved across 2 rows next to the machine and stacked in the center of the next pair of rows. The hydraulically powered conveyor can be positioned to discharge to the left or right of the mower. The conveyor has 5 sections, a self-cleaning system, and a 2.6-foot wide soft, low-flow PVC sheet blade.
Additionally, please remember to share, like, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest uploads. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.